You're clear for takeoff with our TSA compliant travel bottles and 1-quart toiletry bag. 12-piece set with 8 assorted travel bottles, 3 ounces max, and jars, plus spatula and funnel for easy transfer of your beauty products into the containers. Convenient labels included for shampoo, lotion, body wash, and more. Stylish bag design made of durable polyester material with zipper closure. Holiday travel ready. Whether you take flight or road trip this holiday season, prepare for anything with Miamica travel accessories. With pill cases, laundry bags, toiletry kits, more, you'll be clear for takeoff. They make great holiday gifts too. Top reviews from the United States. Complies with the standard. The design is as seen in the picture, they are sturdy and fit the right size.